for our kids. Team 12's Charlie Edsity has the top 5 things you need to know when it comes to Arizona and hot car deaths.
It does not have to be really hot for a child to die in a vehicle.
A vehicle can become deadly around 80 degrees, according to Jan Null, a meteorologist who has spent a decade researching kids and hot car deaths. He says since 1998, there have been 712 heat stroke deaths in children. According to his studies, Arizona ranks 4th in the nation when it comes to these types of deaths and points to the state's scorching temperatures as an obvious contributing factor.
If a temperature is on the order of 120 degrees, after 20 minutes, it's going to be about 150 degrees inside that car.
Texas takes the top spot, followed by Florida and California. And so far this year, 12 children have died. And unfortunately, the data suggests that number will only rise.
The peak months are, as everyone would suspect, are June, July, and August.
The instances of kids dying after being left in hot cars has continued to steadily increase. And there's a certain time frame when it's more likely to happen.
Those numbers of cases increase as we get toward the end of the week, and it may be that people are tired.
Congress has introduced legislation that would require car makers to install technology to alert drivers if a passenger is forgotten in the back of a vehicle. In Phoenix, Charlie Edsity, 12 News.
A sobering reminder